Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today I will make chicken curry that is fast and very simple. I put 25 grams of lemongrass, 5 grams of garlic and 8 grams of shallot into the food processor. Then I put in half a cube of chicken stock, a teaspoon of sugar, a little of turmeric, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of curry paste, and a tablespoon of fish sauce. I switch on the processor for 3 minutes to get the porous mixture like this. I make the marinating mixture. I pour this mixture into the bowl of 600 grams of chicken and mix them well. I put a saucepan on the hob and turn to the high heat, putting 1½ teaspoon of oil. I put the chicken in and fry them for 4 minutes to let the meat absorb the spices and become firm. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. We will be very happy. I pour into the meat 300 milliliters of warm water and stir the meat. I sometimes stir them. After 10 minutes, the color of the chicken juice looks very beautiful, as you can see. I pour in 120 milliliters of milk. And turn off the hob as soon as it boils again. This dish is suitable to serve with rice, noodles, or bread. Thank you for watching.